Hello everyone. Today I have good news to share with you. Welcome back to my channel. My babies are new in town, and I want to unwrap the new skating shoes with you. So this is Nyabuga 55 official channel. If you haven't subscribed, just do so that we can get to journey together. So without wasting time, let's get into the real thing. So before I open these skating shoes, this is the box. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's showcasing somebody here enjoying skating, inline skating, that is it. And these are the skating shoes, which now I'm going to show you. In fact, I'm so happy. I've been dying to learn inline skating, and now when I was told that these shoes are getting to this place of mine, I was so happy, and I wouldn't afford to just enjoy the happiness by myself. So that's why I'm here, so that we can unwrap the box together. So this is the first skating shoe. As you can see, it's brand new. This is the paper that is wrapping this shoe. So this is the left skating shoe. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's very good looking. It's covered with plastic. In fact, it's like these guys, they knew that at first one must fall several times, so they have to cover it with hard plastic, so that at least it can be able to get used to those rough terrains. So I wanted to explain somehow how I was told these skating shoes work. So these are the wheels. As you can see, they can light somehow. These are the skating wheels, the skating shoe wheels. And also now we have the shoe laces, the ones that I'm going to use to tighten up. That's when I will wear the shoes. So we have these ones also for also tightening up. Okay, I'm new to this, so you have to understand me, yeah. And so you can see this part here is wrapped with something that has a mattress for comfort, I guess. So yeah, that's all I can show you. So this is the left skating shoe. So let's see the right skating shoe. So here it is. So for this one, it's a bit different because it has a braking system. Now that I'm getting into this field of inline skating in the first time, so I had to use the skating shoes that has a braking system. So it has also these wheels. They can also light up. It's covered with also a plastic covering. We have the shoe laces, the ones for tightening up when one wears the skating shoe. And also these parts for buckling up. Maybe we can try and buckle up one of these shoes. So let's start with this part. So I guess this one, you just insert it this way. Yeah. Then now we have this other part. Yeah, this is how it should be. And also now tying the shoe laces. Yeah. As you can see, it's very beautiful. In fact, I like it. I admire it very much. So the only thing that is remaining is for us to get into real action. That's now skating. So apart from skating shoe, we have also the protective gears. So we have the helmet and also the the knee protectors, the elbow protectors, and also the wrist protectors. Let me show them one by one to you. So this is the helmet. Ensure that when you buy the skating shoes, you look for a very hard helmet that is going to protect your head from injuries. So this one, it's going to work for me very well. It fits my head. So, and also consider the size of your head. So when buying the skating shoes, look for a helmet that fits your head. So this one can also be used for riding a bicycle. Okay, so this is the helmet. It's very beautiful. Okay, it's my favorite. As you can see, the colors, they are so nice. Okay, so for the other protective gears, so we have these ones. These ones are protective gears for the hands. Okay, so it's automatic when one starts to skate. Is going to do what? He or she is going to fall several times. So you need to wear these protective gears for the hands. So we have these ones also. These ones are for protecting the elbows. Okay, yeah, they are for protecting the elbows. So these ones, they are for protecting the knees. These ones, I will be showing you in my next videos on how to wear them, and also before I get into action. Okay, so they are for protecting the knees. Okay, so now those are the protective gears that are going to be used when I'm going to get into the inline skating practice. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. I like to appreciate very much for taking your time to watch these videos. I'm so happy. I like to encourage you to get into this journey with me. Let's see how far we can get. I love skating, and I'm not going to give up until I become a pro and the best. Okay, thank you so much for your time. As you can see, it's like the environment is so hot, I'm sweating, but do not worry. As long as you have been with me and you have enjoyed this enjoyment with me, I'm so grateful. Peace.